Okay, let's get started. Thank you for being here on time. Great to see you all. Today, our topic is working with AI systems. So I will be introducing you really practical tools and demos today. We'll start with mental models, continue with some AI tools, prompt engineering, custom GPT creation, video creation, and creating your digital twin. So we don't have much time, but let's kickstart right away. First of all, I want to introduce you these 10 mental models. I created them last Saturday afternoon, working with Claude. My question was the following: how do we create mental models that will help master artificial intelligence and tomorrow's opportunities as an entrepreneur, as a creator? So that was my goal, and I created this ebook and uploaded it to Gumroad and started selling it for $1 symbolic amount. And I uploaded this worksheet ebook to the seminar section as well, so you can access it for free. Okay, so if you check today's seminar files, you will see that I uploaded this document as a PDF. You can download it right away. Okay, so feel free to download it. There are 10 mental models that I'm introducing to you to become a better futurist and to better master these AI tools. Okay, let's go over each of them. Number one, AI force multiplier model. So I'll introduce the core concept in each of these. So AI will amplify your human capability and strengths by 1,000. Imagine AI as your superpower that can amplify your best capabilities. And that's what you can do with these latest AI tools. So turn your best skills and strengths into an AI-powered system. So what you will do is you will create an AI workflow that will multiply your output by at least 100. What unique value can I create at scale? Think about your best strengths. What can you do best? And share them via micro products. And then turn these into products that you can share online. And you can do this with AI, multiply it. Let's say you can teach a course very well. You can then use AI to amplify your teaching courses. You can create dozens of shorts from your course. You can create lots of templates, digital products from your course. So this automation will help you to multiply yourself by at least 100, maybe 1,000. The second principle, digital twin principle, everything valuable should exist at least twice. You are very valuable, therefore you need to create a digital twin of yourself. That means creating a digital avatar, but also an AI twin that can replicate your thinking, your way of talking. I'll talk more about this, but how do you move it into action? So give your best work a digital life. Videotape yourself, record yourself, and then educate the AI to create your articles, new articles. So you can create your custom GPT as a writer, as a digital twin, and you can give instructions to imitate your style. Therefore, you can create articles that imitate your style using Claude or GPT-4. And then you can also create videos that build on your principles and using your avatar, your speech, your gestures. And there are already tools that allow you to do that, so that your work, your portfolio can exist without the presence of you. So think of these AI avatars as your soldiers. They can act as your digital soldiers. They can continue creating value on behalf of you, imitating your style. And that's the future. Okay. The third principle, value lies in seeing patterns that others are missing. So study successes for hidden patterns using AI. Let's say you can find 3 patterns in today's AI breakthroughs. What happened, let's say, last week or last month? You can ask Claude or GPT, give me the hidden patterns that you see across what happened recently. So you can ask this to ChatGPT as well, and it will summarize the latest AI developments, and then it will synthesize them. And you can ask it to create original insights, perspectives, mental models, patterns that bridge these latest developments. What pattern keeps repeating that others are ignoring, and why does it matter? And try to learn these faster. So AI is the best tool for pattern recognition. Use it as a pattern hunter, and you will accelerate your understanding much more. Number 4, probability surfer. Success comes from surfing possibilities, not predicting outcomes. So imagine yourself as surfing. Imagine yourself as surfing. Let me know if anything freezes up, by the way. Surfing these possibilities. So AI is very powerful in launching lots of small experiments, hundreds of them, thousands of them. So you can start tiny experiments every day. AI is also very good in computing probabilities. So what could I try at almost zero cost? You can use AI to generate dozens, even hundreds of probabilities and scenarios, and then optimize the best scenario, the best probability. That will maximize your chances. Okay, so you can better read the future, you can better predict the future, and you can ask AI to act as a futurist and predict these patterns and future trends and probabilities. And you can surf these probabilities, create trend reports, create and think like a futurist, a future thought leader, which will help you establish authority and monopolize your marketplace as a knowledge provider, as a consultant, as an expert. So you can understand these probability surfing business using AI. Number 5, the Infinite Apprentice. You can use AI to master the art of learning. So you can turn AI into your teacher, your personal tutor and mentor, and you can create your customized learning journeys that will improve your learning journey for the future and master new skills by yourself. So think of this as executive coaching, top-level coaching that you can get from AI. So teach one concept to AI until you truly understand it. And then you can also ask AI to better teach it to you and create a symbiosis of learning. You learn from AI, AI learns from you, and you create these positive reinforcement cycles and learning cycles, which is amazing. So how can I learn this faster and deeper and accelerate my learning journey? You can do hundreds of experiments. Whatever you wish to learn, you can learn it much faster with AI. Many people are using ChatGPT to master languages. I learned 33 languages in 33 days in the morning, just in 1 hour. Every morning in 1 hour, I learned and mastered a new language. I call this micro-learning. You don't have to learn the whole language. You can learn some key phrases. And I did this. I published all the results on Medium, if you Google it. So you can learn and master everything much faster. The 6th one, Knowledge Alchemist. You can transform information into increasingly valuable forms and systems of value. So you can turn your knowledge into products, videos, content, stories, social media posts. You can take one insight and create at least 5 forms of value from it. You can create, let's say, a TikTok video, a YouTube video, a Medium article, a micro training that you can offer, and a Twitter thread at the same time. So ask yourself, how can this knowledge be more valuable, and how can you connect these into solving problems? Maybe you can turn it into a digital product and then publish it on Gumroad, just like what I did with this one. I published it on Gumroad just on a Saturday. Very easy to do. It takes just 10 minutes to publish something on Gumroad. Very easy. So always ask yourself, how can you turn these into products that people will be willing to pay you? Okay, solve specific problems at scale and turn them into PDFs, templates, ebooks, publish them, turn them into videos, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and establish your brand and monopolize that market space by turning these valuable products that benefit lots of people. Okay. The 7th one, magnetic orbit. The core concept here is you need to create gravity that naturally attracts opportunities for you. So build value centers with gravity, create a very high quality creative piece of work that is so valuable that it attracts by itself. So be so good in your products, in your creations, that they cannot ignore you. They can no longer ignore you. They love your product. They become addicted to you. And repeat this hundreds of times. Every day, create products and online presence that establishes your personal brand and maximizes the opportunities that come to you. I try to do it myself. I publish at least 1 or 2 articles every day on Medium, and I got to meet lots of new people via my Medium pages. And I also create YouTube videos every day. So I am reaching around, I have subscribers of 7,000 people, more than 7,000, and I reach around 20K people through my YouTube channel. So I meet lots of new people every day, which brings me a lot of opportunities because I'm establishing my personal brand. Yeah, so do that using these AI tools. Create such great high quality products that they will come to you. Such high quality content that they can no longer ignore you. You are a category leader. You are monopolizing that topic. Try to master that. Okay. Time arbitrage. Work in now, next, and not yet simultaneously. So that means you need to operate in multiple timelines and position value ahead of obviousness. So what will be valuable, let's say, after 2 years, after 1 year, after, let's say, 5 years, after 10 years? What will still become really valuable, and what type of things will become even more valuable than today? Ask yourself this question. What will be in huge demand in the future? Imagine the future and its possibilities and its scenarios. Position yourself. Think about your future self. Talk to your future self that exists after 10 years, 5 years, whatever. Talk to your future self. Understand the future and imagine possibilities. Imagine yourself in the best place, and you are responsible to your future self. Talk to your future self every day so that your future self is guiding you in your everyday decisions. What will I create today? What will I do? How do I act as an entrepreneur? Always ask your future self who lives in 2035, yeah, after 10 years, so that you build these fresh possibilities that exist beyond today and right into the future. You can predict the future because you are creating the future through your imagination. And that's very powerful. And you can do this with AI. The quantum creator. Maintain multiple possibilities until value emerges. So keep your options open, and in superposition, quantum computers are operating by qubits. Not 0, not 1. They can become zeros and ones at the same time. Yeah. Imagine future possibilities at the same time. For example, should I work full-time or should I become an entrepreneur? You need to do both. You need to work full-time, but also you need to become an entrepreneur. Should I establish my YouTube channel or should I write on Medium? You can do both. See what happens. Grow these, both of them, as experiments, okay, simultaneously, and then see which ones grow faster. So try to cultivate these multiple projects, multiple seeds, multiple portfolios, yeah, until they grow in terms of value. So you can start 10 possible projects without committing to any of them, and then see what happens, which one grows faster, whichever experiment proves more valuable, you get better feedback, then you can commit to that one. Okay, so AI will help you to conduct these experiments. The exponential engine, the last one, small advantages are compounding into insurmountable leads in the long term. So use compounding to your advantage. That means focus on one small improvement you can make on a daily basis, repeat it every day. So let's say if you improve 1% every day, in 1 year, that means 37 times improvement. This is due to the power of compounding and mathematics. Because the pie gets bigger and bigger each time and every day, and you are compounding it 365 times a year, that means your 1% improvement translates into 37 times improvement in 1 year. And your small improvements become massive in the long term. And that's what you need to master. This is the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen. Small improvements, but do it every day so that you can achieve perfection. You can achieve very big results in just a couple of years. Yeah, you do it little by little, little steps. The power of small steps. Do them every day consistently. Okay, so use these 10 tools together. Yeah, AI force multiplier model, digital twin. Create your digital twin. Create a pattern hunter using AI. Surf these probabilities for the future. Use AI to learn everything much faster. Turn knowledge into valuable assets and forms and products. Become a magnetic orbit through your personal brand. Create such high quality, amazing things that people will be attracted to you. Imagine your future self and future possibilities and create them every day, and maintain these multiple portfolios, approaches, multiple trees at the same time. See whichever grow faster. And the last one, improve 1% every day and repeat it every day. Small consistent steps matter, and you can compound this in the long term. Okay, do these 10 things using AI tools every day, and you can easily become a millionaire today. Okay, these are the philosophy's mindset, and this is the best thing that you will be learning, today. So read the handbook. I uploaded the handbook to you. There are exercises to implement each of these 10, and I uploaded it for free for you. So download it right now. It's on your Blackboard, and master these 10 tools. There are amazing exercises about each of them. Please do them. Okay. The next section, I'll give you some AI tools and demos. Please look at these tools right now. Here's an exercise. Are you familiar with each of these tools? Have a look. If you are familiar, put a check mark. If you are not familiar, please take an action. Google it, go to that tool, and try it today. Okay, so Virality AI, ChatGPT, ChatSonic, Midjourney, generating photos, Leonardo AI generating art, RenderNet creating AI influencers, InVideo generating videos. Remember, we demoed this last time. Runway ML turning photos into videos. Remember, we did this last week as well. Beethoven generating music. You can also use Suno. Riplet generating code. Opus Clip generating viral videos. Slice AI generating presentations. Upscale Media making any photo sharper. Weed.io, this is for video editing. And Float AI, ChatGPT everywhere. So have you used these tools? If not, please take a note to yourself so that you experiment with each of these tools. Okay. So let's look at some of the latest tools that are introduced.
Transform the way you manage your business with Barraway's cutting-edge cloud ERP system. Absolutely.
Every single week, I try to test out just about every single AI tool that gets released. Find inside of another app called Notebook LM. This is
Notebook LM, the first one. It is a Google tool. If you want to improve your study skills, this is amazing. Let's say you want to read a book much quicker, take notes about the book, summarize it. You can upload them to Notebook LM, and then ask it to analyze and create conversations with it to accelerate your learning.
This is from Google. This is one of their most popular and one of the most popular tools in the world of AI. So if you haven't used Notebook LM, I'll just briefly show you what that is. Now, with Notebook LM at notebooklm.google.com, you can add all kinds of sources. This is all your own information, your own research, your own knowledge base. And then you could have an AI-based chat conversation with all your own sources. Now, one of the most interesting things inside of Notebook LM is this thing called Audio Overview, where it takes all that information in those documentation and creates a podcast. This was an 8-minute podcast that it created for me. And I made a different video all about Notebook LM and this Audio Overview. So I'll link that.
So if you don't, let's say, if you don't have time to read books, you can turn them into podcasts using Notebook LM, and then listen to them when you are commuting, let's say.
Below, because this is not a Notebook LM video. But this audio overview function, well, Google decided to roll that out in a whole different app. I'll show you that now. And by the way, if you go to labs.google, this is where Google is testing out all kinds of new AI apps. So I checked this website, Google LM was first released here. They have all kinds of different tools here that they're testing out. But this one,
so test these Google tools. They are very powerful.
One is called Illuminate. I'm going to try this to show you this. Google Illuminate transforms your content into engaging AI-generated audio discussions.
This is amazing. Try Illuminate. Whatever your content is, let's say you have written a Medium article, you can immediately turn it into a podcast. These AI-generated avatars will discuss your content, whatever you have written.
Between two different people.
And you can create your podcast doing this and monetize it.
So it uses the same voices that are inside of Notebook LM.
Now, artificial intelligence, AI in our world.
I'm ready. It's absolutely incredible how fast AI is evolving.
To create those audio.
So they are discussing your topic, whatever you have created. Yeah.
Overviews on this page, you have to search for it.
You can also upload famous books, popular books, and create podcasts, AI-based avatar podcasts based on that as well.
Topic or paste a PDF URL. Well, huge limitation right now. You can upload your own PDF. This is what we pick by default. You can go ahead and change that to your own audiences with a longer duration. So it says you could do medium, you could do longer, you could do quick, which is less than 5 minutes. The tone should be friendly. So in this case, let me change this to medium.
So you can use all these options.
Physics and the nature of physical laws.
And then you can press this hand signal right here. And then it opens up this Q&A where you can ask any questions about those papers. Can AI, the website is using the right research papers to create these audio discussions.
The next tool is very important.
Now, the next one is called
Napkin, which is an amazing AI tool that gets visuals from your text, which is amazing.
AI, the website is napkin.ai, and this will help you turn any type of text prompt into very interesting visuals that you can use inside of PowerPoint, inside of AI-powered presentations, and really easy to use, and they have a completely free plan available as well. And with Napkin AI, you just have to paste any type of content that you want to then turn into a diagram or a visual element, or you could just create by using a text prompt here. And the AI actually does two things. It actually writes you an entire blog post if you wanted to use this blog post, but I want to create this visual element right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. It's going to create a visual element. And look how nice this looks. This kind of graphic will take quite a while to create. And these are other alternatives to it too. So you just hover over each one.
So you can create your own infographics, figures using this. This is a very powerful tool.
Right. So if you,
it's called Napkin.
Like any of these, you could go ahead and click it, and it will save it like this. And then if you want to download it, let's say I don't want to use this post at all, I'm going to go ahead and download it as a PNG. And if I want to turn any other parts of this into a visual, I could just select that portion of it. And here's some other options that we have. These are really nice. Let's see what other styles we get out of this one. Oh, very cool. So like that, again, download this too. And best AI tool right now for creating presentations, alternative to things like PowerPoint, and you just could paste text.
So the next one is creating a presentation, Gamma.
And you just could paste text. And Gamma I've covered multiple times. It's the best AI tool right now for.
Okay, if you want to create a really good presentation, go to Gamma.
Creating presentations, alternative to things like PowerPoint, and you just could paste text. You could generate just using a single line of text, or you could import any type of file. I'll show you this one for now. I'm going to create a presentation for hiring the right people, similar content, and this is the number of cards. If you have the paid version, you can get more cards, but the free version, you're going to be limited on how many cards. Cards are kind of like slides. Here's the outline. I'm going to press continue, and I'm going to choose a theme. Let me just choose this theme right here, and this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to press generate just to show you the power of Gamma. It's kind of one of the most mind-blowing AI tools. Look at this. It's
creating the whole presentation, as you can see.
The entire presentation here in real time. I'm not editing this right now. It's writing all the copy. That was from one line of text here. And it's going to even create these images for us. These are AI generated. You could switch these with your own. This looks kind of funny. And then if you want to change any of these with any of the things you made inside of OpenAI, you'll just have to select that image here. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to go ahead and click over here to upload. And then we can upload our own like this. I'm going to replace that image over here. Let me close this up. And I can click this. This will fit the image. So combining Napkin and Gamma, you can get some crazy powerful presentations. I use this all the time. I'm using it right now to create presentations in AI marketing. And then you can go ahead to present mode right here. And then it will present it just like this. And then you can go through the entire presentation slide by slide. Some of these have different graphics to them. Really easy to create these, editable just like PowerPoint documents. Now, before I jump into the next one, let me also introduce you.
So these are amazing tools, everyone. Try them today.
To Flow. This is from a company called Speechmatics. They're the sponsor for today's video. They've been leading the speech technology space for over a decade now. And Flow is a brand new conversational AI API tool. And this is completely different than other models. Even the best models from OpenAI can't keep up with some of the things that Flow can do. Let me show you a quick demo, and then I'll show you a couple of videos we have on how this is really different than anything that's available right now.
Oh, just to chat with you. Anything exciting happening today?
Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video right now about some top AI tools.
That sounds interesting. What kind of AI tools are you featuring?
Just things about creating real-time voice conversations right now.
Brilliant. Real-time voice is fascinating. Are you focusing on any specific applications?
Okay, well, focusing on Flow right now. Now, there's three things that really set Flow apart, especially if you're using the API to build any type of app using voice. One of them, they compared OpenAI. OpenAI obviously behind ChatGPT, one of the leading AI platforms out there, versus Flow. And this is really interesting. So you could actually recognize different speakers using their voice. And in this demo right here, I'll go ahead and link this below. OpenAI does not get this right. So the second time they come around, it doesn't get it right. But when they use Flow, it remembers everyone by name. And then when they talk again, it knows who's speaking. OpenAI failed in this test. Two people were talking in the background, it just kept getting interrupted. It kept pausing itself. But then when the next one on my...
Welcome to Blaze Networks. We're glad you're here. We've been building and managing a network.
I list this from a company called HeyGen that makes AI avatars.
HeyGen. This is for creating your own avatar and digital twin.
I covered this one a bunch on my channel too. This one is not a free tool though. There is a new option inside of HeyGen called Generate Looks. And it's really interesting. You could generate an AI avatar using multiple photos. You could generate from a single text prompt, or you can add motion to a photo avatar. In this case, I'm going to generate from a text prompt. Now, this is kind of a big upgrade because right now with HeyGen, you could clone yourself and you'll have a library of avatars that they created that you can build. But now,
so you can create your digital twin using HeyGen.
You could describe by generating from a text prompt right here. So I could type in a name, I could pick an age, I could choose a gender, and I could choose an ethnicity, and then I could go ahead and describe my avatar. Okay, doctor in blue scrub, hospital setting, smiling, short black hair. I could do full body, upper body, or just a face. I could choose an orientation, portrait, spine. Let's generate. I got 4. Let me choose one here just to show you what he looks like. Okay, this looks really great. You followed my prompt exactly, and then I could go ahead and take this to the AI Studio, the HeyGen AI Studio, create a portrait video, and over here I could type in my script, and then this avatar is going to read exactly what that is, and as soon as I go ahead and submit this for a job, it will then render out an entire video over here.
Let's talk about a simple habit that can make a big difference, drinking enough water. Did you know staying hydrated helps your body function better, keeps your skin looking fresh, and even boosts your energy levels?
Okay, that's not bad, but this doctor is smiling way too much, I think. Maybe a subtle smile would be something I would do. Follow up prompt, generate another image, and then recreate another video. I could turn on the captions here. Really powerful way to create exactly what you want out of your character instead of using ones from the HeyGen library. Now, there's also a brand new large language model.
Okay, I will stop here. We don't have much time, but you can watch the rest. Okay, here's another one. through AI automation, he created 700 shorts in just 20 minutes.
Wix gives you the power of AI to build the website you need.
Are you ready to uncover the secrets to building a monetizable faceless YouTube channel with AI automation? This YouTube channel is raking in over $9,000 per month by uploading simple YouTube. Wait. Doesn't this sound familiar? You've probably come across one of these videos on YouTube. And if you haven't, then here's a quick recap. A few months ago, a game-changing method for creating YouTube shorts emerged. It spread like wildfire, and many YouTubers started making videos about it. But here's the catch. They all showcased the same method, using the exact same reference channel as an example. And to top it off, they were all making shorts about psychology facts. It can be just a coincidence, right? But to be honest with you, the previous content idea was very popular for a time, bringing great success to other creators in that niche. The market became oversaturated as more and more began producing similar fact-based shorts. This made it difficult for recent creators to stand out and see the same results. But nobody had thought of using this powerful AI method in their hands in different creative ways. In fact, one of my past videos on this topic, among the earliest, proved to be my most successful so far. Therefore, I took on the responsibility of developing an updated version that builds on what worked before, but takes it to the next level. I'll still be using ChatGPT and Canva for this, but the content I'm cooking up this time is going to take things to a whole new level. By the time this video ends, you'll not only have your own faceless YouTube channel that you can finally monetize, but it will also be built on automation using AI. I'm talking about creating 3 months worth of YouTube shorts all at once. And that's not all. I'll demonstrate how to get this AI to generate all your titles, descriptions, hashtags, you name it. Get ready. To show you the evidence, here's a YouTube channel focused on quiz and riddle videos. These videos are racking up millions of views. The reason behind their viral success is simple. They keep viewers engaged and their curiosity peaked with each quiz or riddle. This, in turn, increases the watch time of these videos. The level of engagement in these videos is off the charts compared to other types of content.
Okay, so we'll create riddles using AI.
Mainly because viewers have to fully... To motivate you, see this new channel successfully adopting this approach, gaining thousands of views. And they have a high chance of going viral. Plus, people nowadays prefer short-form content. Step comes into play. Here, please ask ChatGPT to give us a riddle to solve. The results might be something like this. But that's where good prompting comes into play. Here's how I'll approach it. As a renowned riddles expert, your task is to create 5 quick and interesting riddles for your audience to solve. The riddles should be easy enough to engage and entertain the participants. Each riddle should have 3 options, with only one correct answer. Please follow the table format provided below to present the riddles. Then I'll lay out the desired format and provide a suitable example.
So that's how you do it.
It has done a good job. Sometimes ChatGPT have its quirks, so if you prefer an alternative, you can also use Google's Bard AI. For now, though, I'll stick with ChatGPT. Here's the plan. I'm going to ask it for 300 riddles for now.
Create 300 riddles, and it does that. All engaging, stimulating, entertaining. Yeah.
Once we have our complete riddle collection, I'll import it all into a Google Sheet to organize it. It can be wacky sometimes, with fields like title.
So you go to Google Sheet, put everything on an Excel file or Google Sheet.
Ending up extra long for no reason, and click on Create Video. Firstly, let's work on the background. Click on the Elements tab and search for the type of background.
Okay, so we are on Canvas now. You go to Canvas and then choose your design for your videos.
Video you desire.
You choose a template.
Now copy the text from the first column and paste it onto the template. You can adjust the text size to enhance the visibility of the text. Let's add a text background. Select the square shape. Adjust its size and pick the color of your choice. As the background might appear too bright for the text, let's add a black overlay. And adjust its opacity to your liking. Layers and choose Send to Backward. Send to Backward. Select a font and size that suits.
Okay, you design your slide, yeah, your video's appearance. And then choose an avatar.
Let's also throw in some motion to really make it engaging. Click animations and browse the options. See what fits your vibe. Apply it to every element on screen. Now, small. This section also requires a background, so this time click on Effects and choose this one because it adjusts based on the text. Simply click and drag while holding the Alt key on your keyboard.
So you create one video based on this, yeah? Design it. It's ready.
Here's how it. Now let's add a timer for added excitement.
Timer.
here it is. Seems like
it's ready.
Something is missing, right? Music. You're absolutely right. You're getting smarter while watching my videos, huh? But there's a problem if you choose Canvas music. You might encounter copyright issues. My suggestion is to spend some time finding free music from the YouTube Music Library and upload it here, where the real magic happens. In this step, I'm going.
Okay. Now, what he will do is he will create this in bulk.
Step, I'm going to show you how to automate the rest of the process. Scroll down a bit and click on Apps, then search for Bulk Create. However, please note that to access this tool, you must have a paid Canvas subscription. But don't worry, you can obtain a 30-day trial subscription completely free of cost. Once you sign up, this is what the Bulk Create tool looks like. Click on Enter Data Manually. Click on Clear Table. Go back to the Google Sheets document and copy 30 rows, including the titles. Then click here and paste them. Now pay close attention to this crucial step. Right-click on the title and select Connect Data. We need to connect each data point to its respective text element on the screen. Soon enough, you'll understand why. For example, if this is the body text, you need to select Body from the Connect Data list. Once you have connected all the data points to their corresponding text elements, it will appear as ticked, like this. Now click Continue, and then hit Generate. Abracadabra. In just a matter of seconds, you'll have 30 shorts ready for you.
So you created just 30 shorts, yeah?
But wait, there's more. The reason I only chose 30 shorts this time is to ensure that we don't end up with all shorts having the same visuals. Let's go back to the template and make some changes to the background and colors for the next batch. Shorts, all ready for a faceless YouTube channel with complete automation using AI. To download the shorts, simply click here and ensure that this option is ticked before hitting the download button. Now, we move on to step 5, which is creating a faceless YouTube channel and uploading these shorts using AI. Since this video has already gone on for quite some time, I trust your ability to set up a YouTube channel yourself. There are 3 crucial things you need to take care of: the title, description, and tags. Yes, they do matter. To accomplish that, once again, I will go to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt, instructing it to create all 3 of them in one go, specific to the topic you provide. Simply copy and paste all 3 of them to YouTube to go along with your shorts.
That's it. You publish them.
Once you've completed all the necessary steps, hit the Publish button. If you're interested in seeing the actual results I get from uploading these shorts over a period of 1 month, then let me know in the comments. Also, make sure to follow me on Twitter.
So that's how he created hundreds of shorts in just minutes. Yeah, you can create your faceless YouTube channel very easily. The next part, you can figure this out, but it's on prompt engineering. When you're putting your prompts to AI tools, you need to follow these steps. 1, be very specific. The more specific you are, the better answers you will get. 2, state your intent. What is your intent? Like, what role do you give ChatGPT or Claude? Like, what do you really want to achieve? Share all your intentions, motivations, desires, okay? Number 3, use correct spelling and grammar. Number 4, direct the output format. What type of format do you want? You want a listicle? You want an article? You want the description for a video, etc. Like, make it very clear what type of output do you want. And then ask follow-up questions. If the result is not what you like, give it feedback. And experiment with different phrases, and prompt for fact checking. Make sure that the what you created is reliable. Always fact check them. So the perfect prompt formula is the following. You give a context. What is the context? Describe the context very clearly to the AI, and then be very specific about what you want. What specific information do you want? And then what is your intent and goal within this context? Yeah. What do you wish to accomplish here? Make it very detailed, specific. And then the response format. What do you want the response in which format? Yeah. And that's how these AI tools understand your requests better. So the more specific details you put here in this prompt formula, the better results you will get. Let's say, here's an example. You are cooking, let's say. I'm a beginner cook. That's the context. I'm trying to make Italian cuisine. You give the specific information about your goal. Yeah. Can you provide me simple, easy to follow recipes? And write it as a step-by-step list. Okay. So you just put it and then wait for the results. This is another example in software. I'm a software developer working on a Python project. Can you explain me how to implement exception handling in Python in a simple paragraph? That's it. Okay. You can also create your custom GPTs. There's a video here on how to create your custom GPT. Please watch it and then create your own custom GPT. It's very easy to do. And you can master this. As we are running out of time, I'll skip this, but do this at home, please. And AI video creation is another one. Please go to this website, ltx.studio. Please go to this website and then create your own video using this website. So here's how to use it. Go to this website. It's in your slides. Please open it, register.
Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an interactive contact form for your Wix Studio website.
I've had early access for about a month now to one of the most comprehensive AI platforms that I've ever tested out. It's called ltx.studio, and I could finally share it with you in this video. Now, ltx.studio is an AI platform that can turn a text prompt into a complete video, but like nothing you've ever seen before. This is an all-in-one platform, and it's from the ideation all the way to a final video. And I'm going to show you this app in full detail, but one thing that really sets it apart is it's created by a company called ltx. Now, ltx is probably one of the oldest companies in AI. They've been at this for about 10 years.
It would become something new. The AIs, my creations, had evolved into conscious beings. When I discovered the government's plans to exploit them, I knew I had to act.
Let me jump right in so I can show you the exact platform here and all the things you can do. Right now, I'm doing similar processes using
Open this platform, please, and start your experiments.
6 different AI tools. This is a platform that does everything and more. So I'll show you for storytelling and filmmaking with some more advanced options that I'll show you, but I'll simplify it even if you have no experience in filmmaking. But is building a AI replica of our globe in order.
So you put the scenario. If you have a script on your mind, you put it here.
To run some tests, and then he finds out that people in that world don't know they're in a simulation, and he wants to put a stop to it. Now, in a few seconds, I'm going to get this box that gives me some really unique control. So I can type in cinematic inspiration here with a couple of words. It's done a good job, futuristic, cyber thriller. And next, you could change the visual style. So if you don't want photorealistic, which is cinematic, kind of gives you a photorealistic look to your movie, you could do 3D modeling or anime or comic book. And look at this. Look at the amount. Just look at the different options I have over here. This is almost a complete set of options I've seen when it comes to visual style for any type of movie that we want to create or any type of video. Aspect ratio. If you're creating a movie, 16:9 is correct. But let's say, what if you're trying to do something vertical for some kind of social media platform that is vertical, right? You have TikTok, you have Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. This is one of my favorite parts about this app, and we're only.
So you just specify what type of video you want to create.
On the first page, right here.
And then create your characters now.
It's going to create characters for you with different names here. Now, within each of these, you have a lot of control. Let me just press edit here. For example, you could change the appearance, the clothing, and the voice. Okay, so let me just play one.
You just introduce some depth to your characters. Let's say you want to create a movie. You can edit your characters and create your characters via AI.
Just so you hear it. As the agent here, I could go ahead and face swap that out. And you also have options here to regenerate this. So if you select this option right here, it's going to go to work and it's going to give you a new version of this character here. I was completely blown away. Look at this page right here.
So then you come to the script.
Right now, just in a few seconds, it created an entire story for me with all the shots. So
okay, so given your scenario, it creates all these scenes. Yeah, it created all these multiple scenes by itself.
Let me show you the breakdown. On the left side here, it's created scenes for me. So movies are created with scenes, and inside of it, you have storyboard mode and you have shot editor. And these are going to give you some controls individually that I'll point out. Right now, let's go over the storyboard mode here again. And now shot 2 is the new shot 3, and you see it changed automatically here. It really is that simple to change the order of shots. And you could do the exact same thing with scenes. So if you want scene 2 to be scene 1, you just drag and drop. And look at this whole page comes up over here. Now, well, background music, typically, let's say I'm making a trailer, and a lot of AI trailers like this. So let me press play on this music that is generated for us. Okay, perfect. The tone is perfect. You could also upload a new music here, or you could type in a text prompt here and press regenerate region. Choose an appearance, type out a prompt here, choose clothing, and then choose a voice case. I'm going to leave it, but that is the option I wanted to show you from here. Typically, it's easy to start with here. You could change every scene, you could change the location and the lighting too, and you just type it in. And even if it's outside, if it's raining, for example, you could type that in, and it's going to be generating that for this entire scene.
Creation would become something more.
Okay, let me get to the more exciting part, which is each individual shot here, and you can alter each individual shot and a lot of customizable control.
So you can create your whole movie by putting these scenes.
Edit frame is going to take us to this. This is just basic cinematography, made easy for just about anybody. Okay, this one is good, and it's very quick. It just takes so all these controls, the duration of the shot is changeable, the sound effects. But this is one of my favorite parts again here. I could actually start with a text prompt, or I could upload an image that I already have. Go ahead and cancel, or I could regenerate with a new text prompt. You could do this with a It actually does generation of all your videos at once, but that's not going to get you the best results. You really want to go through individual scenes here and do individual shots. And you could go ahead and actually alter it here and apply it, and it's going to change your entire movie. The one thing that doesn't change though is all your prompts, all the different music, all the different voiceovers. Those are the same, because I only altered the visual style of the video. And look at that. This might be actually a better way to tell the story. I think I kind of like it. Let's go ahead and press preview and export here. And again, as you can see, none of these videos are generated yet. So I'm going to actually dial down the motion slider so when it goes to generation, it's going to go back to work. It's actually rendering over here. Now, while that's exporting, I made a couple of small changes here that I want to point out. So I moved some of the scenes around. So I have a nice static shot, then kind of a more white shot here, blue and black text instead, whole different look. Obviously, and black. Look at that. Because I did
regenerate these. And then you have your you can regenerate, edit these all, and then you can can create your own movie, short movie.
Just change that one little detail. And my export just finished, so let me show you a preview.
I never expected that my creation would become something evil. The AIs, my creations, had evolved into conscious beings. When I discovered the government's plans to exploit them, I knew I had to act. I sought to create a sanctuary for them, a haven away from the government's reach. But nothing worth fighting for comes without cost. As I faced powerful forces and wrestled profound questions, I realized that in this digital exodus, I wasn't just fighting for freedom.
Okay, that's not bad. And I let the AI take over a lot of the heavy lifting. I haven't really customized this.
So this is like a comic book kind of thing, but you can create your own movies really with this tool. So please go to this tool, start with an idea or start with a script as you wish, and do this exercise. Here is, I created this through Claude. I said it, give me these 3 scenes and some technical specifications and some design notes, and you can then upload them to this website. I actually tried it. It gave me some amazing results. So try it, copy and paste these and see what happens using this tool, yeah? You go there, start with a script, paste these, and then create your movie, okay? So do that. Or you can use your own prompt, of course. And the last part, creating your digital twin. Reid Hoffman did this.
Reid AI, introduce yourself to everyone. Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to be here today. I'm an AI-generated version of Reid Hoffman, his digital twin. My thinking and everything I'm saying comes from a custom GPT that is...
So you can actually create your digital twin. The technology is here. Reid Hoffman did it, and you can see this is the AI twin.
Based on 20 years of Reid talking and making content. So I read all his books, watched his speeches, and listened to his podcasts. I think it gives me a pretty good sense of how you approach the world, Reid.
So the one talking is the AI avatar, AI twin. And you can also create your AI twin based on your digital presence and your talks and what you created. Yeah, like you can put all those inputs into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will allow you to create new contents for you as your digital twin.
So first, I'm going to challenge Reid AI with some questions to see what it can do. Piece of work from Blitzscaling. I wrote a 336-page book. And how do you explain it in one sentence to a smart person, a 5-year-old? Well, for the Star Trek fans, in Klingon. And as Jerry would explain it in Sign Up. Okay, condensing your entire strategy from a 336-page book into one sentence, and starting with the explanation for the smartest person in the world.
So he interviews his digital twin right now and quizzes him, yeah?
Blitzscaling is a strategic acceleration of organizational growth to seize market dominance by prioritizing operational stability. Now, for a 5-year-old, blitzscaling is like building the biggest tower super fast before anyone else, even if it gets a bit messy, so you can be the leader of the tower game. And now for a Klingon, blitzscaling OH2 Spittelheg du Charge Have a Doch on Viol, Hawk Competition by QA Market Gahara, and finally, like Jerry, in a Seinfeld episode, blitzscaling, you know, it's when a company decides to floor it on the highway of business, ignoring the speed limit, business school bingo, which I'm not quite sure I would have done that, but a very
so gives feedback to the avatar. But you can create interviews with your digital self, with your AI twin. You can also automate your AI twin to create on behalf of you. Let's say you want to create 100 new videos. You want to automate this on your YouTube channel or on your TikTok. You can want to create lots of shorts. You can do that through your digital twin. You can educate these AI tools to create your digital twin. And then after the training is done, it'll automate your tasks and it'll create with you. So you can do voice cleaning with 11 Labs. 11 Labs Voice Lab is the most accurate one. You can create the avatar with HeyGen or Synthesia. It lets you to create your own avatar, customized avatar. And then the full video clone are not reliable yet, but they can also create deepfakes of you. Okay, so you just follow these steps. First, you create your voice bank, record high quality speeches where you talk, okay? And then use 11 Labs to create your voice model. And then the second step is you create a visual content bank. You use your gestures, facial expressions, and AI records them. And then you use the content system, ChatGPT, Claude, etc. Okay, and then you put them together. ChatGPT does the content, 11 Labs does the voice, and the visual assembly, you can do it on Canva, and you can use the avatar you created on Synthesia, and then you just put them together. Okay, so you just create your voice, and then the visual content, and then the amazing content, you just put them together, and that's how you do it. Yeah, so you just follow the steps to create your own avatar. Thank you so much, everyone. This is the QR code. Thank you so much for attending today. Please apply all these tools, and you can achieve so much in today's day and age using these latest AI tools and demos. So make sure you implement them, create value, and you can monetize them and you can become a millionaire in today's day and age using these tools that I shared with you. So put them into action, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye, everyone.